How to use and redeem Fandango card on Vudu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.vudu.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. You will see the Redeem drop-down. Tap on that and then tap on the promo code option. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and enter your Fandango gift card code in the text box you see there, and further tap on the Submit button. And if the gift card code you entered is correct, then your Fandango gift card code will be successfully redeemed on Vudu. So, this is how you can use and redeem Fandango gift card on Vudu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.